Tumblr does allow us to edit our profile with ease. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech It Simple. In today's video, we're going to see how we can edit our profile in Tumblr. For that, we need to go to our Tumblr dashboard. Once inside, there, we need to click on Account on the left sidebar. And to the blog you want to edit the profile of, click on it. Now, to the right, there is Blog Settings. Click on it. This page is all the ways you can change your profile. Maybe let's say I want to change the spelling of my username. For that, click on this pencil icon. Now, change the spelling to whichever you like to change to and click Save. There you are, our username is changed. Similarly, you can change other options here and give a profile a polished look. Now we know how to edit profile in Tumblr. Thank you, guys, for watching. Until next time, bye bye.